Imagine waking up to a world transformed by a raging storm. In March 1888, the Great Blizzard struck the East Coast, with winds reaching 60 mph. Cities like New York and Boston were paralyzed under 40 inches of snow. The storm struck so suddenly that many were caught outside, leading to tragic losses. Trains were halted, and telegraph lines failed, isolating communities. The blizzard lasted 3 days, resulting in over 400 deaths. This disaster prompted significant changes in weather forecasting and winter preparedness. It also highlighted the vulnerabilities of urban infrastructure, shaping future city planning and response strategies in severe weather events. The Great Blizzard remains a pivotal moment in American history.